I go to the end of the world for catching hip-hop concerts, shows and festivals, man. The worst part? Your phone drop or you ran out of battery.